Well, tomorrow is National Pickle Day, and to help us get ready to celebrate National Pickle Day, our friend the cocktail chemist is here to show us how people are actually incorporating pickle juice into their drinks.
Demetrius Zaharitis joins us, and I'm thinking that this is going to be one of the segments where I might not sample some of the drinks.
Come on.
Is it good?
I've been looking forward to National Pickle Day.
National Pickle Day with pickle
Not at
juice?
all.
Not at all. Okay.
Is it kind of like a dirty martini, like instead of olives, it's pickles? Or?
Yeah, I mean, yes, we actually have one of those featured today. So
Okay.
yeah, I mean, the most famous right now of like pickle drinks is the pickleback. So it's basically a shot of Irish whiskey and a shot of pickle juice.
Seriously.
Like
all the
you
kids are doing
chase-
it.
You chase the...
Yeah, you chase the.
And
you-
that's this right
That's
here?
that right there. That's all it is a shot of Jameson Irish whiskey, shot of pickle juice. I personally don't like that. I like Jameson. I like pickle juice. I like
you
them
don't like
separately.
them together.
But I mean, it's a very popular thing these days, and you know,
You
we sell
know-
a ton of them at the bar. So why
now
not?
you know what that is. Okay, but you
Yeah.
could make it a little fancier.
We could make it. Then we go, you know, like you mentioned the dirty martini. Excuse me. We're doing just a gin martini with some Litchfield Distillery gin. A little bit of pickle juice, as opposed to the olive brine that we would put in a dirty martini, and a little bit of celery bitters just to bump up the flavor, the savoriness of the cocktail.
Look at that, celery bitters.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
very
tasty.
good.
And then yeah, I mean, I think naturally we should make a Bloody Mary. Kind of an eye-opening little cocktail.
Let's do it.
It's a savory cocktail again. What we did here was we took Litchfield Distillery bourbon, we took pickles, and we infused the vodka with the pickles.
Okay.
So you
So
have
that's
pickle.
vodka, not bourbon, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sorry,
yeah,
vodka.
okay.
Yes, vodka. Pickles, a little bit of dill, and I put a little clove of garlic in there too.
No, how
Let it sit
wonderful.
for about a day, 2 days. Do about 1.5 ounces of your pickled vodka, and then we're using actually a new product. It'll be available in Connecticut very soon.
It's called Natural Blonde.
It's made with yellow tomatoes. A friend of mine in Charleston, South Carolina makes it. It's absolutely delicious.
That's a Bloody Mary mix?
It's a Bloody Mary mix, yeah.
Okay.
And I think it goes lovely with the pickles. It's a little lighter. It's not as thick and viscous as
Yeah.
a red Bloody Mary mix, but then put a little dill on top, and I know you want to try it.
Try that.
It's a good eye opener in the morning. Little hangover cure.
That's delicious.
See?
Yeah, that's really
Yeah.
good.
All right,
All
so
right.
the pickles
Yeah.
are in there. You know, people are going to wonder if your pickles bounce, because there is a law that it's a crime to sell pickles that don't bounce. That's on the Connecticut books. So
That is
do you
crazy.
check them to make sure they bounce?
We have some limp pickles today, so all of us are going to jail. That's clearly we're in violation of some laws.
What's the next?
So we're making a margarita, a pickle margarita. So I already have about 3/4 of an ounce of pickle juice in there. You can use your favorite pickle juice from your favorite pickles.
Okay.
I'm sure there's some pickle nerds out there that have their favorite brines, and
But in
I'm
general,
using
is it more dill than sweet? Like you?
Yeah, I would use dill. Yeah, I like that better. But that's my personal preference. You can use whatever you like. So we're doing some tequila, about 1.5 ounces of tequila, 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur. We're just doing a regular, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, and a touch of agave syrup just to bump up the sweetness and counteract that saltiness from the brine. Give it a quick shake.
We got a minute left. Demetrius, just want to let you know.
We can speed pour here.
You can
Look how
serve
green
like
that is,
4
too.
people at the bar in one
There
minute.
you go. Try that, and I will make the next one. So
Okay.
this one, we're not using pickle juice, but we're using a shrub. So it's basically a vinegar syrup. So we're doing vinegar syrup.
He's happy with it.
That's good.
We'll make Scott happy every day. Do another. So this is blackberry, rosemary, vinegar, and sugar.
Oh,
Then we'll
okay.
use some orange juice, a little bit of lime juice.
And you always put these recipes on your Facebook page.
Yes,
so people
everything
can
will be on
check
the
it.
Facebook
There's
page
the ginger
today.
beer that's so popular
Ginger
right
beer
now.
we put at the bottom so it'll mix by
And
itself.
there's no alcohol in ginger beer?
Because that really and I love what we're going to put on top. This I remember from last year. This is great for the holidays. You stuck a sprig of rosemary
Right through a
inside
blackberry.
a blackberry.
Yeah.
How cool is that? It's so
Look at that
pretty
color.
and festive.
Just
and it's like
gorgeous.
having a little Christmas tree in your drink.
Garnish that up.
All right, for these drink recipes and more, head to Demetrius's Facebook page. Just search Cocktail Chemist. Thank you
Yes.
so much for being with us. We
Thank you
appreciate it.
very much for
Always
having me.
thank you for
Thank
National
you very
Pickle
much.
Day,
Thank
too.
you,
Thank you.
so much.